In this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 ways on how you can make passive income at literally any age. All of the methods that I'm going to be teaching in this video have been things that I have personally tried myself. So I'm pretty knowledgeable about all the methods I will be teaching in this video. So if you guys are excited for all of this free information, please be sure to drop a like before we get into it right now. Alright, so the first way to make some passive income, literally at any age, is by vending machines. Vending is one of the best ways to make a lot of money with not a lot of hours actually put in. To get started with vending, all you need to do is start going to local businesses and ask them, hey, would you mind if I put a vending machine in your store? And you need to be prepared to answer objections like, how big is the machine? Who is going to service the machine, and how much is this machine going to cost me? If you're able to convince a business owner that putting a vending machine in their store is a great idea, then you'll be in the money, baby. But trust me, convincing a store owner that a vending machine is a great idea for their store isn't easy. It took me about 3 weeks to get my first vending machine location. But after I got that location, I went ahead and purchased a vending machine online, placed it in the store location, and started earning that passive income. One thing a lot of people tell me when I tell them to get into the vending machine business is,
Will, I don't have any money to buy vending machines.
well, you're in luck because there's this website, candymachines.com, that lets you buy gumball machines for as low as $85. I'm not affiliated with candymachines.com whatsoever, so no, that is my unbiased opinion. I actually bought my first vending machine from candymachines.com for $85, and I started making passive income with a very small upfront investment. The $85 gumball machine generates me about $20 to $25 per month in passive income. So that meant if I just got 4 vending machine locations, I would be making $100 every single month in passive income. And if you want to get into the big full-line vending machines, on the other hand, those machines generate about $300 every single month in passive income. So just 5 of those machines will generate you $1,500 in revenue every single month. The second way to earn passive income is by subscribing to this YouTube channel right here. That is right, you need to click the red subscribe button that you see down below, and you will get passive free information on a daily basis. More towards the morning, because that's typically when I upload a YouTube video. Bad jokes aside, the second way to earn passive income is by something known as affiliate marketing. If you aren't familiar with that business model, it's basically when you promote products from other companies to an audience, and you get a commission on every sale that you generate. Although it doesn't sound like it, people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars even per month with affiliate marketing. You know that guy who makes the "here in my garage" commercial?
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things?
Knowledge.
Well, he made a lot of his money by affiliate marketing. To get started with affiliate marketing, you're going to need to build up an audience in a specific niche. This can be done on a YouTube channel, a blog, or just a regular website. Because once you build up an audience in a specific niche, you can start promoting products to them that has to do with what they're interested in. And you can promote those products to them with affiliate links, so you'll get a commission on every time one of your community members buys a product that you recommend. So for example, if you have a blog about turtles and how to take care of a turtle, you could start putting affiliate links in every single one of your blog posts about the best leash for your turtle, the best aquarium for your turtle, or even the best food for your turtle. With affiliate marketing, you don't need a big audience whatsoever to start making money. For example, with my channel, I have about 1,800 subscribers, and I'm earning about $50 per month passively by just putting affiliate links in the descriptions of my videos. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but I have a very small amount of people watching my videos on a consistent basis. And to think I'm already making $50 a month from my channel with affiliate marketing, I can't even imagine how much it's going to be when I'm at, let's say, 10,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers. The third way to make passive income at literally any age is by starting a YouTube channel. And I know what you guys might be thinking. You might be thinking,
What? YouTube is not passive income. You still have to film videos and that takes work.
passive income by definition means you're getting rewarded in the future for work you did in the past. Passive income is not where you just get free money falling from the sky. Once you build up a channel and actually get it monetized, you're gonna realize that most of the money you make comes from videos that you made 2, 3, or maybe even 10 months ago. Videos on my channel that bring in the most views are not only videos that I uploaded maybe a day or two ago, but also videos that have been sitting on my channel for months without me touching them. For example, I have a YouTube video I released 5 months ago titled, "What Happens If You Don't Pay Your eBay Fees?" And this video still gets 60 views for me every 48 hours. Another video I released about 2 months ago, selling candy in front of the movie theater, still gets about 50 views for me every 48-hour period. So guys, all in all, YouTube is an absolutely great source of passive income, although it does take you a lot of time to actually grow and build up a channel. Alright everyone, I think that's gonna about wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to just destroy that like button down below, and also check out some more content on the Financial Wolf channel. Peace out.